Hello, ma'am, sir. Good day. My name is Christine, 29 years old. I am from Santa Rosa, Santa Maria, Pangasinan, Philippines. My highest educational achievement is caregiving with in situ. My hobbies are cooking, and I'm a pet lover, 2 dogs and 1 cat. My working experience, I work as a caregiver caretaker in situ, Taiwan, 3 years, finished contract from November 28, 2019 to November 28, 2022. I taking care elderly. I serve 2 persons in the family, 2 adults, ages 53 and 8 years old. My duties, taking care elderly, give medicine every day, cleaning, cooking, laundry, and marketing, gardening, massage, go to park exercise. Ma'am, sir, I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money and also I want to support my family, financial needs, and also for my son's future. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and newborn baby. I sing a nursery song. 5 little ducks went out one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Red, blue, green, yellow. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemate because I'm a hardworking, trustworthy, loving children and elderly, kind, honest, responsible, and I assure you, ma'am, sir, to treat your children as my own child. I promise to be a good housemaid, and also I promise my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, ma'am, sir. I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.